afternoon. My name is Oscar Eduardo Cancelado. I'm 8th semester student of telecommunication engineering at the Compensar University Foundation. I present my work as Daddy Yankee. My empire in musician Daddy Yankee, Ramon Luis Ayala Rodriguez, the Cangri went from the Kanki went from Kakerin the word to Kakerin is also present be Oscar Eduardo Cancelado English core you is Daddy Yankee origin San Juan Puerto Rico the real name is icon reggaeton pioneer or a father pioneer and father reggaeton making a global superstar cover Kopner show to Kreitz G Kopner the bribing G notes it to the world Jesus lives in me new chapter new chapter in Hirilius this Christian album blending reggaeton with frame. Three questions that change everything. Why does he does for me? For a long time, try to fill a void. Someone was able to fill it. I was nobody without Jim. My opinion, it is great. The void it described is the same. What up? Loves is was G's best decision. Tonight, knowledge, and I am not the shame to tell the your work, though Jesus lives in me. Having everything, money and fame can offer. He helped it up for good, and you were made the decision. Is good was able to turn my morning between dancing. I could do it for you too. Jida's money, Jida's knocking the testimony to Jesus. That is what a truly transformer person does. Conclusion: Judas or she then make me feel. This story shows me that Goku me that good can change anyone. The boy can only be fueled by good. What Adam lost while the presence of good inspires me. Because if the cup change, I'm con Oslo saying I'll become bitter. Confirm to me the best decision a woman become make is to sleep good. He is me job. Whoever made the decision to skin good can change all things or things are possibly. Picture Bogota gospel. Thank you, teacher.